We welcome you, month we all adore. We pray for happiness.
Today we have a surprise for you, and the surprise is a 4-in-1 science lab. It's a mega science lab, and our mom gave it for a surprise. We had it.
It's A+.
A plus, wait, A plus. It doesn't matter because I'm not.
He's 7.
And he's 5. I don't take orders from old little boxy things. So we could mold a zombie head. We could perform an alien operation. We could grow fungus, and we could make a slime monster. It looks really messy because it says disgustingly fun experiments, and it's for A plus, but I'm 8+. But guys, I don't take orders from old boxes like these things. And anyways, we opened the fun and messy thing.
This is the flower.
This is cornflower. These are some gloves that I was putting on, and they ate it. This is gelatin.
And this is slime.
Wait, let me check again.
This is
Zombie slime. Same
zombie
thing.
slime. Yeah.
These are like some warm. They're fake ones. You guys,
Moms.
yeah, whatever. This is.
Where's Cookie? No.
I'll do it. You have to do it. Guys, this is glow solution.
This is Moms.
So I'm gonna put. Finally, let's begin. I mean, because I'm gonna put this.
And my
But I
messy
already
green
opened
clay.
it in here.
I want blue.
I opened it a bit and then it just got messy. That's why it says real chemical reaction.
What are you doing? Don't hit. Cut your like
No,
blood.
how do you... Finally, guys, look at this yucky. So guys, I am going to make this, zombie head, mold a zombie head. And take this yucky green tail. We will need this mold thing. Put it in. So guys, I will have to put this yucky green clay inside.
Put it.
So, it's so sticky.
It sticks on your glove.
In the gloves. Do I need another mold for this?
Yeah.
Guys, the gloves. Look at the gloves.
Yuck.
So guys, after we finish doing this yucky business,
Yeah.
yucky business, And
even
we have to yucky messy stuff. But Mom, can you do it? I know this is like so messy. I wish like we could use multiple colors. Look at that. The yuck on this thing. You guys might think this is easy because you guys aren't doing the stuff. The thing is that's actually like hard. I was like so excited because of the surprise. Because the surprise looked like. So guys, I left it overnight and this is how it turned out. And now I'm gonna take this really carefully off. Oh, please don't rip all the clay with waste. So guys, this is how it looks like. It looks creepy with some, green. This is actually blue. I thought it was green. And there's some green here somehow because it might have mixed. So guys, now my brother's going to do the maggot stuff. The maggots. Yeah, and you can put them.
You have a little more
zombie head.
You have like
Maybe in the brain, maybe here, maybe here. Maybe in the eyes.
You have 8 more.
We're gonna do some maggots on the zombie project. We haven't finished the zombie project, but we're still gonna do it. So if the maggots are gonna get ready, we don't have to do it. Last time. So guys, you will need a bag of maggots, one 3D solution, and glow solution. So guys, I'm gonna put this glow solution in this bucket thing. Cup.
Now it's good.
And I'm gonna put. My brother's gonna put these worms in. Yeah.
Moms.
Then I'll tell you what we have to do next. This looks weird, guys. My maggots are dry now. I think we done 3, but we might have done 4. It doesn't matter. So guys, I'll turn off the TV a sec. Squeeze the glue on these yucky mucky maggots. I'm gonna put it here, so where I have to put it. I am going to do it on here. This is one. I'm gonna put it like over here. Was on me. I put some on the nose. Wait, let me put a bit more. So he has a nosebleed. And guys,